Say hello. Hello guys. It's time for our vlog. Say it. We have a vlog. We're welcoming our baby girl. Her name is Danaya Ariel. Danaya Ariel. She's 3 months old. And she's very chubby.